Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on your laptop. First, ensure your Apple devices are signed in with the same Apple ID. Your Mac should ideally have Touch ID, or you'll need a paired iPhone or Apple Watch for authentication. For the smoothest experience, make sure you are using the Safari browser. These initial steps are crucial for a seamless setup and will allow you to quickly begin making secure payments online with Apple Pay, saving you time and effort. To add your payment cards, open System Settings on your Mac and navigate to the Wallet and Apple Pay section. Click Add Card and follow the simple on-screen prompts to securely enter your card details. Your bank might require a quick verification step, like a text message code, to confirm your identity. This process usually takes less than 2 minutes per card, ensuring your financial information is protected and ready for use. When you're ready to make a purchase, look for the distinctive Apple Pay button at checkout on participating websites. Select Apple Pay as your preferred payment method. You'll then authenticate the transaction using Touch ID on your Mac or by double-clicking the side button on your paired iPhone or Apple Watch. Always confirm your shipping and billing information before finalizing the purchase to ensure everything is correct and your order goes through smoothly. Apple Pay employs advanced tokenization technology, meaning your actual card number is never shared with merchants, significantly enhancing your security. To maintain optimal protection, always keep your devices updated with the latest software. You can easily manage your added cards and review your transaction history within the Wallet and Apple Pay settings on your Mac. This system offers a convenient and highly secure way to pay online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.